Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: turbo V6 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, power telescoping steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.